Hello, I'm Irene Jasper with Jasper Moves, and today we're going to work a little bit with Qigong. So with Qigong, we're cultivating energy. So with any of the movement work, we like to do a little warm-up. So we'll start out with a breath, just inhaling, filling up, exhaling, sinking down. So we're working on expanding your energy, bringing in energy, and then stabilizing it by exhaling and pushing down. And the third breath, we're going to inhale to fill up, clearing your mind and grounding, sending all of your energy down toward the earth. Just going to roll the shoulders, give yourself a little kick in the pants. Just going to get your body moving gently. Open stance. We're going to round the body, round your spine, and open up, full breath, inhaling and exhaling. One more. Short rotation. Just warming up the spine. Releasing the opposite heel. Just mobilizing things a bit. Shoulder shrugs, rounding, pulling the elbows back, pushing down. Rounding, pulling the elbows back, pushing down. And the neck, just looking over each shoulder as far as you can comfortably. Going to warm up a little energy ball here. So we're activating Qi. We're wanting to circulate that through our body. And with Qigong, we're going to cultivate that as we imagine that we're moving that through the body. So I'm creating the image of holding a ball of light. Okay? I'm going to roll that over just to imagine that's real, that's right in front of me. And then we're going to expand that out, bring that overhead as if I'm bringing light down into my body from the heavens, and I'm imagining that's flowing down into my body. And I'm going to do a light fist, pat down. So we're kind of waking up all of the areas of the body. Starting at the heart, working your way down, coming back to the heart. And just a little bit of work on waking the back up. Underneath those little tickly spots. Waking up the face, waking up the head, waking up the jaw, releasing tension in the jaw. And a little dusting off. So that's a very condensed warm-up version. And we're going to go right into Great Bird. So you're just standing and breathing and stepping open, inhaling, pushing up toward the heavens. And as you exhale, bringing the feet back together. Stepping to the other side, pushing up as you inhale. Exhaling, coming back down. And a short step forward, the heel strikes first. Inhaling, pushing up. Exhaling, coming back. So I'm scooping that energy outwards. Gathering energy from the heavens. And bringing it back up into my body. So on a side view, I'm just standing, opening, inhaling, pushing, exhaling, back at center. Stepping with the right, inhaling, and gazing up there, seeing if you can follow your hands. If you have problems with your balance, you can just look forward. If you want to stretch yourself with your balance, then follow your hands up. And right back at center. just resting for a moment. And just breathing. And one more cycle. We're going to step and open, inhale, up and push. So I'm scooping that energy up into my body here. I'm extending it out, reaching as you inhale and exhaling back at center. Short step forward. Better not to overextend that step forward because you'll find it just throws you off balance. So we want steady footing and right back at center. Thanks for joining us.